Hey everyone, my name is Dia, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a merge sort. So what exactly is a merge sort? Well, basically it's a method or an algorithm that takes one list and breaks it into many lists until each list contains one item. It then compares and sorts these lists and then merges them to recreate the original list. Now I know I just said a lot of things at once, and it's okay if you don't understand what I just said, but by the end of this video, you should be able to know what I just said and complete your own merge sort. So let's begin. Here I have a set of cards that are mixed up. As you can see, they are not in increasing order, and we want to sort this list so that the smallest number is on the left and the biggest number is on the right. So our first step is to break this list in half. Right now we have two mini lists. This one has 4 cards and this one has 3. We want to keep breaking these lists in half until each mini list only has 1 card. So let's break them again. We're getting closer now. Now we have 4 mini lists. These 3 have 2 cards and this one only has 1 card. We can leave this one alone because it only has 1 card, which is what we need. So this one is ready. But the other lists aren't quite ready yet, so we need to break them one more time. Now, every card is in its own mini list. We can begin comparing the lists now. Each list is compared to the list right next to it. So I just moved the cards to the top of the page so there's space to show the whole merging process. So let's start. Is 7 less than 2? No. So these need to be switched. Now they're in the right order and we merge them into one list. So let's repeat that process. Is 6 less than 3? No. So these need to be switched as well. Is 4 less than 5? Yes. So these are in the right order. And now, because there are no individual cards left, the one can be compared to anything else. So this, by default, is already sorted and in order. Now, as you can see, we've merged the individual cards to form lists, but we don't have one big list yet, so we have to keep merging. So now we compare and merge these 2 lists and these 2 lists. So, is 2 less than 3? Yes. So we take the 2 and add it to a new list and stick with the 3. Is 3 less than 7? Yes. So we add the 3 to the new list and we stick with the 7. Is 7 less than 6? No. So the 6 is added to the new list first. And all that's left is 7. So that can just be added. So we just compared and merged these 2 lists. It's time to do the same with the next 2 lists. Is 4 less than 1? No. So the 1 is added to the new list first. And all that's left is the 4 and 5. We already know that the 4 and 5 are in order because we've compared them and they're in the same list. So we can just add those 2 to the new list. We're almost done. We only have 2 lists left. So once we compare and merge these, we're finished. So, is 2 less than 1? No. So the 1 is added to the new list first, and we stick with the 2. Is 2 less than 4? Yes. So we add the 2 to the new list and stick with the 4. Is 4 less than 3? No. So we add the 3 to the new list and stick with the 4. Is 4 less than 6? Yes. So we add the 4 to the new list and stick with the 6. Is 6 less than 5? No. So we add the 5 to the new list and stick with the 6. And all that's left is the 6 and the 7. Since they're in the same list, that means we've already compared these 2 and these 2 are in order. So they can just be added to the new list. And we're done. We sorted the list so that the smallest number, 1, is on the left and the biggest number, 7, is on the right. This screen shows the whole merging process. And this is the whole process from the splitting to the merging. As you can see, We broke the original list into mini lists until each list only had one card. We then compared, sorted, and merged those lists to recreate the original list, but now it's sorted. Now it's time for you guys to try the merge sort on your own. If you need help, refer back to this video. Thanks for watching!